There we go. Now we're recording. It wasn't working. It's okay. We're good.
You got him?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, no, because it's too close on Zoom.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Feel the heat! Oh my God! You got it? Did you get it?
Yes? Scared the shit out of me. Scared the shit out of me too.
They didn't tell you they're gonna do that.
Watching the airplanes all of a sudden. Ah!
Here they come again. Lisa, over here.
Back to the planes, huh? All right, we got him. Got him. That was really warm. That was really warm.
Look at this boat here for sale by owner.
I got a video. Oh my goodness. That was scary.
That was awesome.
Scared the shit out of me because Mom grabbed me. I'm like, yeah.
No, it was going to boom. Well, no, I know. Here they come. As soon as I heard the first boom go, I turned to Alicia. She got it.
She got the fight. She got it blown up.
Yep. It goes planes and then flips over to the blowing up. It's insane.
Did you see how close he got? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
That was really good.
Take a picture of the remnants of the...
My chest is there.
Yeah, you could just feel the percussion hit you.
That was...